Most people choose web hosting based on price alone. But here's the surprising truth. Cheap hosting can quietly destroy your website's performance. Today I'm giving you an honest review of FreeHostia and what you should know before using it. FreeHostia is a web hosting provider offering free and paid hosting plans. It's popular among beginners who want to launch small websites without spending money. The free plan includes limited storage, bandwidth, and basic features. You can host simple websites like blogs or portfolios. Most people get this wrong, but free hosting always comes with restrictions. FreeHostia limits server resources, which affects speed and reliability. You won't believe what happens next. As traffic increases, pages may load slowly or even go offline. The control panel is user-friendly and similar to traditional hosting dashboards. You can manage files, databases, and email accounts easily. FreeHostia also offers paid plans with more storage, faster servers, and better support. In my experience, the free plan works for testing ideas or learning web development, but it's not suitable for business sites. Now the downsides. FreeHostia displays ads on free accounts. You cannot fully control branding. Customer support for free users is limited. Responses may take time. There is also no guarantee of uptime on free plans. So who should use FreeHostia? It's ideal for students, hobby projects, or temporary sites. But if you care about SEO, speed, or professional credibility, paid hosting is a better choice. The surprising truth about FreeHostia is that it's not bad. It's just limited, and limitations become problems when your site starts growing. If this review helped you avoid hosting mistakes, subscribe for more honest tech reviews before launching your next project.